Hey there, welcome back to another tip of the week, and I'm on a roll. I'm gonna show you yet another tool for you to learn web development, and this tool is JSP. This tool, what's great about this tool is that much like CodePen, I can come here and I can write my HTML, I can write my CSS, I can write my JavaScript, and I can see my output. So I'm gonna copy this here. I'm gonna copy this here, and I'm gonna copy this here, and you're gonna see I see my output already here, what's happening, and I can see the console here too, what's happening, what's going on. I really like this tool because this is also adaptable. So for instance, I looked for this tool when I was looking for how to be able to show to my students the JavaScript, and I found this tool. And what I liked is this: I can toggle this. So I can toggle this and say, let's say I just want my JavaScript and my console, and then I can have this. And if I'm logged in here. If I'm logged in, I can customize this. I can come to account and preferences. Okay, and I can come here to editor settings, and I can customize my font size. So see, my font size is 22, my theme is Blackboard. So here you'll see that if I console log this, I run this, and this font is bigger. Okay, and also my parser, I can choose the parsers here. You can see less, myth, Sass, and CSS. JavaScript too, you can choose a parser here that's gonna help you. You can have several, you can have my beans here. I'm gonna open in a new tab. You can have several beans, okay, several different beans here. The Pro version lets you post this to GitHub straight away and to post this to the vanity page. So this would be a great way to, you know, show people your portfolio. But basically what I'm using this for is to teach my students, because I can come here and I can just leave the JavaScript and the console super big open for my students. But I thought this was much like CodePen. This is a great way for you to test out your website, for you to be able to write your code and see your code in action live, okay, without needing to maybe upload your code somewhere. So basically that's what I think is great about this tool. Okay, that's the biggest part, but that's I think a really good tool for you to, again, practice. Okay, practice your coding, practice what you're learning, and see the results. So, and maybe practice online. Maybe I don't know, maybe you have a computer where you can't install. Maybe you're learning at work, you're studying in your lunch break, and you need to be able to write the code, to test the code, but you're not allowed to save anything there, or maybe to install a text editor and stuff like that. Here you have a text editor that gives you color coding and stuff like that, and lets you know when there's a mistake. For instance, see here, if I'm gonna put 2 commas here, and now I have a little squiggly line down the second semicolon there. So you have color coding and stuff like that. And then maybe you're at work, so you can't have a text editor, but you can use a browser to code. So that's really good for you. And I hope this helps you. And don't forget, as always, the links to my courses that are in Portuguese with a discount are on the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to subscribe to the newsletters, because I always send promotions and the tip of the week, and when I have new material and new courses on my newsletter. And I'm not a spammer, okay? So don't worry, you won't be getting stuff all the time. I only send really when I have something, like I have a promotion, or I have a new material, or I have tip of the week. So you're not gonna get emails, like 10 emails a day. You're gonna get maybe 1 or 2 a week. Okay, but you're gonna know when I have new stuff. Okay, so see you next week.